how to multiply decimals. So, ang rule natin in multiplication of decimals ay para lang whole numbers. So, ang napadagdag lang ay bibilangin natin ang decimal places. So, ang product natin, ang number of decimal places ng product ay equal sa sum ng decimal places ng factors. Okay, so i-try natin. Number 1, so we have 23.05 times 9. So multiply lang natin yan parang whole number. Tapos sa product natin, ang decimal places natin sa factors ay sa 23.05 meron tayong 2 decimal places. Yung 9 walang decimal. So therefore, ang product dapat ay meron ding 2 decimal places. Okay, so multiply na natin. So we have 23. So we have 23.05 multiply natin sa 9. So parang whole number lang din. Isipin natin whole number lang yan. So i-distribute lang natin itong 9 isa-isa. 9 times 5 that is equal to 45. 9 times 0 is 0 plus 4. So we have 4. 9 times 3 that is equal to 27. 9 times 2 is 18 plus 2. So we have 20. So bilangin ang decimal places sa factors natin. 23.05, meron tayong dalawa. So therefore, may dalawa din dapat sa product natin. So 1, 2, dito mapapapunta ang decimal point natin. The answer is 207.45. Okay, so 207.45. So sulat lang natin dito. So equals 207.45. So next, try natin yung number 2. So we have 10.78. Multiply natin sa 3.2. So, i-multiply lang na parang whole numbers. Okay? So, 2 times 8, so that is equal to 16, carry 1. 2 times 7 is 14 plus 1, so we have 15. 2 times 0 is 0 plus 1, so we have 1. And then 2 times 1, that is equal to 2. Then, distribute naman natin yung 3. 3 times 8, so that is equal to 24. Carry 2. So, dito natin itatapat sa pangalawang digit. So, we have 3 times 7. So, that is equal to 21 plus 2. So, that is equal to 23. Carry 2. 3 times 0. That is 0 plus 2. So, we have 2. And then 3 times 1. That is equal to 3. Then, add na lang natin. So, bring down 6. 5 plus 4, we have 9. 1 plus 3 is 4. 2 plus 2, another 4. Bring down 3. Bilangin ang decimal places. 1, 2. Sa 3.2, meron pa tayong isa. So, 1, 2, 3. So, dapat sa product, meron tayong 3 decimal places. So, we have 1, 2, 3. So, dito natin ilalagay yung decimal point. So, the answer is 34.496. Okay, so i-try naman natin ang number 3. Let's try number 3. So, we have 5.46. Multiplied by 2.17. So, tig 3 digits na tayo. So, parang whole number lang. So, just multiply 7 times 6. So, that is equal to 42. Carry 4. 7 times 4 is 28 plus 4. That is equal to 32. Then, 7 times 5 is 35 plus 3. We have 38. Then, distribute naman natin yung 1. 1 times 5, 4, 6. So, syempre, 5, 4, 6 lang yan. Dahil 1 lang itong minultiply natin. Okay, so next we have 2. So multiply natin yung 2. Burahin ko muna itong carry. Ayan, so 2 times 6, so that is 12. Carry 1, so we have 12. Dito natin itatapat. And then 2 times 4, that is equal to 8. Plus 1, we have 9. And then last, 2 times 5, that is equal to 10. So add na lang natin. So bring down 2. 2 plus 6, so that is equal to 8. 8 plus 2, that is 10 plus 4. We have 14, carry 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. 5 plus 3 is 8. So we have 18, carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Just bring down 1. Count the number of decimal places. So we have 1, 2, and then 3, 4. So therefore, meron dapat 4 decimal places sa product. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Dito natin ilalagay ang decimal point. So the answer is 11.8482. So ngayon, itry nyo naman itong number 4. 43 times 7.51. I-comment nyo ang inyong sagot.